I'm playing a what-if game. What if we didn't have all the things that are usually around us? Or what if there was no such thing as felt pens? I wouldn't be able to draw this heart for Charlie. Well, luckily there are felt pens, because somebody invented them. What if the world was different without the things we need? There. A funny face for Charlie. Now to cut it out. Oh, where have my scissors gone? They were in here, in my handy things basket. Well, what if there was no such thing as scissors? I wouldn't be able to cut anything out. But what about my drawing? Well, I need to cut it out. Well, there's got to be another pair of scissors around here somewhere. What if the world was different without the things we need? What if? No scissors. Oh, a towel. Well, what am I going to do with a towel? I can't cut things out with a towel. What is that sound? It sounds like tearing. Tearing? I can tear my drawing out of the paper. Oh. Okay, let's start. Oh, it's a bit difficult. I have to do it really slowly. I think I'll start along this straight line. Oh, this'll work. Tearing it bit by bit. Well, I guess you'd have to do this if scissors weren't invented. What if the world was different without the things we need? What if? Oh, it's a bit difficult tearing around this curve. Oh, I need some help. Oh, paper clip? No. Oh, a stapler? No. Pencil? No. Oh. Well, a pencil's got a sharp point. It can't cut things out, but it can do this. It can make a hole. I can make lots of little holes and put them in a line together, and I can tear along the line. I can tear away the paper I don't need. The floor's too hard underneath. I need something soft to put the paper on. The towel. Oh, right. Oh, there, that's better. It's soft underneath there. Hole, hole. What if the world was different without the things we need? What if? And tear along the line of holes. Oops. Ta-da! A heart for Charlie. Hey, here they are. Well, I don't need these now. I've invented my own way of cutting things out. Hello, invention.